Hola, chamacos. You guys got big, huh? Mira, qué chulada. You guys ready to come out? Yeah. Bianca, unleash.
Okay.
And then we got these two little creatures. What's up, Pooh? Got your brother and your sisters, huh? Let's go see what they got. You guys want more showers? Do me after a shower? You get a shower, y'all gonna get dirty, huh? Where you at, Yeti? I hear you, but I don't see you. Where's he at, girl? Go catch him, girl. Hey, Mia. What are you doing, Yeti? I'm tired, huh? Well, you run too fast. Look at all those spots after your shower. People don't believe you're a part dojo, huh? Nice big boy, nice muscles. See, it feels nice when you guys get showers, huh? What you guys sniffing? I mean, you came out decent. Next year when you do it a little bit better, te van a salir hasta mejor, güey. It's cool.